Hey guys, this is Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. Hey guys, today we will be testing this very powerful Android TV box called the A95X F4. Now this device is powered by the M-Logic S905X4 chipset. And in this video today, I will be testing several different features of this device. But before we put the device to test, let's do the unboxing and check out the contents of this box. So the device comes in a very nice black box. Doesn't have much information on the box itself, just the name of the brand and the picture of the device. At the back you have the model number, CPU, the RAM. This is a 4 GB RAM device, but it also comes in a 2 GB. It also has 32 GB internal memory, but you can buy a device with different memory spaces. So nothing much on the box itself. Now let's open the box. Alright, so this is the device. Very nice design. We'll come to this after we've checked out everything in the box. So what else do we have in the box? We have a remote control. It's a simple standard remote. Then we have the power adapter and the HDMI cable. Finally, we've got a user manual. Would help you to set it up and use the device. It's in different languages as well. Now let's have a look at the device itself before we switch it on. As I said, it's a very unique design. I haven't seen such design in Android TV boxes. We usually see those black boxes, square boxes with most of the devices, but this is a very unique design. I really like it. Okay, so on top we've got the name of the device. Then we've got these RGB indicators. These will switch on when we plug it in. They're quite fancy. Then on the front you have the LED indicator. Now moving to the back, here are all the connections. Now starting from the left, we have a USB connection here. Now on the right also we have another USB connection. So we've got two USB connections. And then if you want additional memory, you can also add SD memory cards in this TF slot here. Now right at the back we've got AV optical connections. This is if you want to use an external sound system to connect with the device, you can certainly do that. Then it has the LAN internet connection here. Now this device also comes with built-in Wi-Fi, so if you don't want to connect a wired LAN here, you can certainly connect the device with the Wi-Fi system. Then we've got the HDMI to connect it with your TV, and then finally you have the power adapter slot here. That's it guys. Now let me switch it on and then we'll check out all the different features of this device. Alright guys, so I've connected all the cables with the device. I've switched it on. You can see the RGB LED lights appearing on top. These can be customized. You can switch off the lights. You can change the color. On the front you have the time appearing as well. So that's it guys, very simple setup. Just connect all the cables, switch it on, and then now we will show you how this device appears on the screen. So guys, the device is now connected. What I will do now is give you a quick tour of the layout, and then we will start testing a few of the apps to check the performance. But before we do that, I just want to let you know that you can connect different devices to navigate through. You can use the remote that came along with the device, or you can also connect an Air mouse or Air keyboard, which would be probably slightly better, easier for navigation. Or you can even connect a wired mouse like I've done today for this test. And even better, you can connect a wireless mouse or a wireless keyboard to just navigate through the device. Alright guys, I will switch on the device once again, and this time I will check how long does the device take for the home page to appear on the screen. So we'll do this quick speed test of the device. I've got my stopwatch ready here as well. Let me switch on the device and then let me switch on the stopwatch. All right, so that took about 49 seconds. Honestly, that's not bad. Anything less than a minute is acceptable. Anything less than 30 seconds would be seriously fast, but between 30 to 60 seconds it's quite reasonable. So it's not that bad. I'm quite happy with the speed of the device. Now I really like the layout of the device. These icons are not too big or not too small. They're perfectly sized, very easy to navigate, user friendly. You can see on top left you have now the wallpaper settings. You can change the background in the wallpaper. Let's try to do that. Okay. Alright, so the wallpaper is now changed. Let's go back to the home page and you can see the wallpaper has been changed. You can also change the color LED settings, the ones that I showed you on the top of the device itself. You can switch it off, you can change the color combination, you can have a static color as well, so you can do all those settings here. Then you have the Play Store app. Now, as I said, this is an Android 10 device, so which means you have Play Store and you can go to Play Store and download any apps that you want. Now this device comes with some pre-installed frequently used apps like YouTube, like Netflix and so on, but you can certainly go to Play Store and add more apps if you want. Then you can also on the bottom left have the settings menu. Now you click on the settings and you can obviously change all the settings, connect to internet, Wi-Fi. Now I have connected the device with LAN wired connection, but if you have Wi-Fi connection, you can certainly go here and connect it with that. You can also connect remote devices like joysticks, like different gadgets to play games. And then if you come back, this My Apps boxes, this is what I like. This takes you to a different layout where you see all the apps in a blocked format. This is the one that I really like and I'll be using in this video today. Now let's start by testing the browser. Let's click on Chrome. All right, so we can see that Chrome is working. It was quite fast. Let's click on one of the websites. There you go. So as I said, it's quite fast. It loads quite quickly. What we can also do is run a quick speed test to check what type of speed are we getting on this device. All right, so we are getting somewhere between, we're close to 90 Mbps. I usually get around 300 Mbps on my computer. I have a connection of 500. So this is slightly on the slower side. Now let's test the YouTube app. All right, so let's start off by playing a 4K video. All right, so the picture quality is very, very clear, very crisp. Definitely 4K. We can check that as well. So if you click here, we see it is 4K, but I can tell you it's very clear. It's very smooth as well. This is no lagging, no struggling, no buffering of any sort, so it's running quite smoothly. Now let's step out, and I would also like to check one of the 8K movies. Now my screen is not 8K, it's 4K. so the reception will be 4K, but I just wanted to see the quality of an 8K video on this device, and you can see it's very clear, it's quite smooth. Again, there's no lagging, no buffering of any sort. Let's check out if it is. So yeah, it is taking 4K reception. As I said, the monitor is not 8K, so the max it can take is 4K. So yeah, 4K on YouTube, working perfectly fine for me. Now let's test the live TV app. I will first play one of the HD channels. The HD channel is quite nice. It is definitely HD, very smooth, no lagging of any sort, quite a good picture quality as well. Now let's test one of the 4K channels. So this does not seem to be a 4K reception. I have no way to check it, but I can see that it's definitely not 4K. This is again standard definition. So that's another issue probably with the device, is that it does not play 4K channels on the live TV app. Now let's test the Netflix app. Yeah, let's play some movie. Alright, so the video is playing perfectly fine, but this is definitely not 4K. This is standard definition. So that's one of the drawbacks of the device, I must say. It does not play 4K videos on Netflix, though it plays quite nicely on YouTube, but Netflix is just standard definition. Now let's test one of the gaming apps. So let's try Angry Birds. Alright, so the gaming app seems to be working fine. The quality is very nice. So that's it, guys. I really like the device. As I said, there are few things that are not up to mark, but other than that, overall the device is quite nice. It's quite fast. It can handle different type of video files. It can play 4K on your YouTube. Unfortunately, it cannot play 4K videos on Netflix or on the live TV channel. But other than that, I think it can handle other video files. It can play different games. It can you can in fact go to the Play Store, download whatever you want. It has 32 GB of space inbuilt. You can always add more. So overall, I would say this is quite a decent device at this price point. But if you want 4K reception on all the different video apps, then probably you need to buy something which would be much more expensive. But at this price point, I think this is definitely value for money. If you like this device and you're interested to buy it, just go to the link that I have provided in the description of this video. That will take you directly to the website where you can purchase this device. That's it, guys. If you have any questions about this device or any other CarPlay device, just drop me a WhatsApp message. I've provided a direct WhatsApp message link in the description of this video. Finally, please do subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks.